Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PageSpeed Insights for performance optimization. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the PageSpeed Insights website. You can do this by typing PageSpeed Insights into your search engine and clicking on the official link. Once the PageSpeed Insights page loads, you'll see a search bar in the center. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. After entering the URL, click on the Analyze button. The tool will now process your request, which may take a few moments. Once the analysis is complete, you will see a report displaying both mobile and desktop performance scores. Scroll down to examine the details of the performance report. Here, you'll find various metrics such as first contentful paint and cumulative layout shift. Take note of the suggestions provided to enhance your website's speed. If you want to dive deeper into specific issues, click on Opportunities for Actionable Insights. For a more granular look, you can also check the Diagnostics section. This section provides additional technical details that may help in optimizing your site. If you want to retest your optimized website, simply enter the new URL and click Analyze again. You can also bookmark the PageSpeed Insights page for easy access in the future. By following these steps, you can effectively use PageSpeed Insights to monitor and improve your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.